Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this docking station that this brand sent to me for this video, which I can tell you that this one is going to be really good if you lack of space, because you can see it takes no space. It's not one of those like bulky ones or big ones or vertical ones. This one you can just connect it to your PC and just leave it out there, or your laptop, of course. We're going to try that with the laptop and this external monitor, but this one comes with the braided USB-C cable for the Thunderbolt port, so you can actually charge it while actually using the docking station with the other cable. Comes with a ton of ports, 2 HDMI ports. We're gonna be 4K, and also this one, it comes with 100 watts PD fast charging, so you can charge your laptop while you're working with the actual charger. And also comes with 3 USB-A ports. With this one, is gonna give you the speed for data transfer, for example, or if you wanna connect, let's say you wanna do a keyboard or mouse or wireless keyboard, wireless mouse with the dongle, you can do it as well. Also comes with another USB-C port, which is going to be for the charger if you want, and a display port, which I think it's kind of like really good if you want to use this one for gaming as well. You can actually use it as well. You can see the size one more time, actually connected to my Thunderbolt port and then to this monitor. Okay, check it out. I have it connected right here to the USB-C cable. I also have the HDMI connected to the external monitor. Let's actually connect this one right now. And with this one, what is going to happen is this one is going to kind of like recognize it right away and just put it as fast as it can to the actual external monitor. And remember, you can put another monitor on the HDMI, and you can put a third one if you want on the display port in 4K. So that is kind of like really good for such a small device. And at the same time, you can use the USB-A ports for data transfers on a flash drive, or you can use it to connect your wireless keyboard, your wireless mouse. And even if you change the behavior of the lid when you close it, you can close this one and work with those wireless keyboard and mouse and the 3 or 2 or 1 external monitor and make it to be your home office station. For something so tiny, I have to say that this thing is tiny but mighty. Totally good for home office, even for gaming. Check it out. You're not gonna regret it.